Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this purple eyeshadow look using the Morphe 39S palette. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below and any other types of eyeshadow looks you would like to see. Alright, so first I am going to prime my eyes. And I'm gonna get some tape. Alright, just because that is going to, again, help the precision line of the eyeshadow. So, we are using the Morphe 39S palette today. Like, you can see all those beautiful colors. So first, we're going to be using this lighter purple shade just to kind of create a base for then adding a darker purple. And I always like to start blending in the outer crease and then work my way in. And really, it's all just kind of about blending in the eyeshadow. So I kind of just like to go back and forth and then also kind of go in a circular motion, because that's just going to create that like really kind of seamlessly blended top look rather than looking like you just packed a bunch of eyeshadow on. Right. And then next, I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade of purple. And you basically just kind of want to pack some of the shadow on and then blend it out. Alright. And then, very lastly for the purple, I did just want to go in with like the deepest purple on the palette, just on the outside to deepen that. So I'm basically just doing it in the outer crease and then blending out and just keeping it confined to that outer corner. All right. Now that we have our eyeshadow complete, I'm going to take the tape off. And then we're gonna go in with the Shape Tape and conceal the inner corner of my eyelids. And I feel like concealing it just helps give it that extra pop. And I'm going to go in with these two shades. Just like that. And now, I'm gonna again go in with the Shape Tape and conceal under my eyes where I might have had any fallout from the eyeshadow. And then just take my Beauty Blender and blend it out. And I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution setting powder. And now time for some lashes. So first, I'm going in with my eyeliner and just doing a thin line right above my lashes. Because I feel like this really just helps hide or blend the lashes into like your natural lashes. And so you don't like kind of see where you place them and then you're like, oh, there's your eye and there's your fake eyelashes. So you just want to apply a thin layer of glue onto your lash. And then you just want to give it a couple of minutes to dry. Not minutes, a couple of seconds. Alright, and then you're just going to place it right on the eyeliner you created. I also feel like this kind of helps for people that are just starting out with lashes and trying to figure out how to put them on. So I definitely feel if you have the eyeliner down, it also kind of gives you a little bit of a guide as to where to put the eyelash. And again, don't worry if it's not perfectly on there, because you want to give it like a minute. And then I like to go in with my eyelash curler, and then that kind of just helps set where it's gonna lay. Alright. And there you guys have it. Don't forget to read in the comments below about all of the good products I used today. And don't forget to like my Facebook and my Instagram because I will definitely be sharing more videos with you guys. So have a great day.